Viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queen of Locs with another video. Today we are doing a quick detox. This is actually a post I put on Instagram, and I just wanted to share with you all the type of transformation that I did. He has had his locks for over 10 years without a detox, you guys. Back in the day, we didn't know anything about this type of stuff, so product on top of product is what everybody has been used to. This is the first ACV rinse. This is exactly how it looked. It's disgusting. Like, I've never come across anything like this, so that's why I wanted to share this with you all. This was an ACV rinse done with baking soda and the raw vinegar, and wow, you guys, I could not believe my eyes once his hair hit the water. This is after the fact. I did a whole video, me going all the way down his locks, because I really wanted you all to see this transformation. This is so crazy. And you know what? After I did the ACV rinse, that wasn't it. Guess what product I use, y'all? Dawn dish soap. Yes, Dawn dish soap, y'all. You'd be surprised what you have in the house to use to clean your dang on hair, especially when it's dirty like this. It lifts all that grease and product out of the hair. Now, after this, you have to go back into it. Right here, I'm doing a squeeze test. You know, when your hair is wet, normally you can see the product coming out of it. Just wanted to show you all that there is no product in his head anymore. Back to what I was saying. It lifts everything out of the hair, you all. After that, you have to follow up with a moisturizing shampoo, because it does strip the hair. Like I said, this is the aftermath, y'all. This transformation was perfect. It was superb. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe that I myself did this kind of work. Of course he was happy. Please make sure you all like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you all will be notified when I make another video. Thanks for watching.